This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
The air filter housing is located on the right-hand side of the engine compartment. Slacken the clamp and disconnect the air duct from the cover. Unclip the wiring loom from the filter cover. Undo the torque screws and lift the cover from the filter housing. Remove the filter element. Remove any dirt and debris from the housing. Locate the new filter element into the housing with the rubber seal uppermost. Ensure the filter cover is clean, then manoeuvre it into position and tighten the retaining screws. Clip the wiring loom back into place. Then reconnect the air duct and tighten the clamp.